Hey everyone, so that are you cars, and we've got another Renault Clio for you. We like these GT Line 1.2 autos. They're great news and they're fantastic value now. This one's finished in Malta Blue, which I think is one of the better colours. It's a 63 registered car with 74,000 miles. I think it's got 8 services with it, but that info's in the advert. GT Line with nav. The 17-inch anthracite wheels with 4 brand spanking new tyres, privacy glass, keyless entry. Very, very, very clean. Got the nice diffuser on the back. Part of the GT Line styling kit. Obviously it is a 5-door, as you can see. Really nice bright thing. Brand new tyres, just had the gearbox serviced. Engine service will come with a new MOT, 3-month warranty as usual. I'll just show you inside. All nice and clean in the boot with the mats, split fold rear seats. You don't get a spare wheel usually with these. Let me just double check. No, just the tyre kit. It's got the carbon GT interior. Nice and clean with the Isofix. Same in the front. It has got the GT embossed headrests. 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with paddle shift, folding mirrors, electric windows, got the bass reflex speakers. Paddle shift. Cruise control. 74,172 on the miles. There you go. Starts without fault. No warning lights or anything. All good to go. Aircon in the middle. Blows icy cold. Key card slot. And then your USB auxiliary memory card slot. The RS drive mode down there with the cruise control master switch. Has got an aftermarket or a universal armrest, which is a nice little addition. And then up the top here, we've got your nav, as you can see there, with your radio. I never know how you work these things. Multimedia. Radio, media, pictures, etc. But if I remember right there, we go in here. Nope. System. Oh, this one. I don't know. Anyway, I was trying to find you the artificial engine sounds, but I can't find it. Maybe this one's not got it. Looks like it's got Bluetooth as well. I'm not great with tech. Those of you that have been following us for a while will know that. Yeah, Bluetooth audio, auxiliary, SD, USB, that's what I'm looking for. So yeah, pretty much fully loaded. Lovely, lovely car, drives without fault. As I say, comes with a new MOT, just had 4 brand new tyres, gearbox service, engine service. Good to go, this car. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you are considering financing the car, we can assist with that. And we do work with a number of lenders and brokers to try and get you guys the best deals that we can. Cheers, guys.